Yeah, they down with this. Because they down with this.
Full Kirikiriroa in the heart of Tainui and Waikato. Welcome once again to Whakata Māori Hamilton, who will be playing left to right from our broadcast position here at the Kura. Well, it's actually very creditable towards them that they've been able to repel Hamilton at the moment, but can they sustain that defensive mahi? And the answer to that is played out right in front of us as Hiraka Waitahainga gets in for the first try. With their focus on their defensive work, it's going to be tough for them at the moment as Swan gets hold of the ball and he's got numbers. Rata Makine once again, danger time, and the 13 is through for the try. That's Ollie Guerin. Got some talent here, there's no doubt about that. Gisborne, and going out the back door. That's smart play. The winger comes in from the far side. In front of the posts here. 22 out. Still keeping it alive. This time it's Hihi. The 7 on the run. Good push forward from James Mackay. Hamilton under some pressure. Gisborne laying out the challenge. Close to the line here. Referee Brownlee gets in right down low to check out whether or not that try has been scored. Gisborne is celebrating. Brownlee says, I'm okay with it as well. Here in the proud Waikato City, climbing for it and taking it nicely is Corbin Dunlop. They've got the numbers, it's through Swan. That ball will hit the deck, but the half volley pickup is good. And then out to the right, bringing Ross Anderson. Flies in to score. Try number 3 for Hamilton Boys High School. Just a metre or so away from the try line. Out to Liam van der Hayden, who comes towards the line, the big prop forward. He's repelled at the last moment by Gisborne. Still got a bit of attitude on D, but they are under the pump as Hamilton issue challenge after challenge, this time grinding their way through. Burrowing, trying to get underneath the defensive line. They're set nicely, and having a look there is Swan. I think he's done enough. Mitch Swan's a class act. Hamilton set themselves. Swan through Rata Makine. Their combo has been very effective as Swan having trouble getting the ball from the base of the ruck, and there will be a penalty. Swan takes it quickly. He's away. Turns it on, back to Swan. Oh, beautiful. Back and forward, back and forward. You get it. No, you get it. No, I'll get it. Okay, then I'll get it. Rata. Yeah, Super 15 rugby, but not so. The Super 8 schools. So we understand the geographical logistics have been able to support players as we once again get turned on to some of the action that they're able to display. And Ollie Guerin slicing through with another beautiful run. And he's able to take it all the way back to back in just a couple of minutes.
Good scrum. Solid.
Well, it sounded solid. This time, Rata Makine. Oh, these guys are just running hot. Commentator's curse, of course, still keeping it alive. Back it goes to Jackson Brotherway. He's been everywhere today.
Good pass.
Peeling across to Stefan Newman. And down the right edge once again comes Ross Anderson on the fly. Back on the inside. Guerin. Well, he's been exceptional. Let's try number 3. Entry, snails, no thanks. Here's the kick. Chip over the top. That's off to Wairua Brown. Great player. Took a little bit of a knock as he went to the deck. Just been coming back. That's been knocked on there, and another little split, a break. Looking for the runners. Half volley is good. Here's the downtowner. Now they're all scarpering after the football. It's into Anderson's hands. Anderson stumbling, sliding, still alive. Still coming at him. And towards the line. Oh, so very close there for Corbin Dunlop. It's still alive, though. It's still alive. It's the big number 8, Jake Raybards.
Fullback for Gisborne has done a fantastic job. He's been in the right place at the right time every single time, and he's been under pressure so many times.
Simele Vono, the kick for touch unsuccessful into the hands of Henry Lumley. He steps it out again. Lumley shuts one away, then swerves and angles himself towards the try. Lumley, the lovely contribution, 19-5 at the half-time break. And they have yet to concede another try, having posted 6 themselves. Well, there's an example, the tap back, and then for the number 20 to run away. Ollie Parkinson. Great play. Fantastic efforts from both, well, from the entire Hamilton boys squad.
Down with this. You try, but you can't see me. 'Cause I'm down with this.